What's going on, guys? Ultimate Furnace here, and today I'm going to show you how to add more RAM to your server. Now, it's very simple. This works on any type of server, vanilla, bucket, or even forge. And there's just two things that you need to find out first. And to find those out, we need to go to this PC, and we're going to right click and properties. Now, the two things we need to find out is how much RAM we have, which is 4 gigabytes, and what type of system we're running, which I am running a 64-bit system. If you're running a 32-bit system, you're going to need to have installed Java 32-bit. If you're running a 64-bit system, you're going to need to have Java 64-bit installed. I'll have the link to both of those downloads. And now we're just going to need to remember 4 gigabytes of RAM is how much is on our computer. So you're just going to want to write that down. Now, to get into it, it's very simple. We're going to open our server folder that we have, and we're gonna click on here, which is our Minecraft server launcher. We're gonna click again, and we're gonna copy. And now I'm gonna have a code here. The link will be in the description. You're just gonna make sure you have it highlighted all the way up to .jar, and you're gonna paste what you just copied. And I'm just gonna save this for a second. Now what you're gonna want to do is, depending on how much RAM you're gonna have, if you're using a server that if you're using a computer that you're using for only a server, 100% that's all you're gonna use it for, I suggest using all the RAM you have on your computer. In this case, I have 4 gigabytes, so I would use all 4. But if you're gonna use it for other things, you might want to back down a couple gigabytes. And it's very simple. If you have 1 gigabyte, you use 1024 megabytes, which you can see right here. I am using 4 gigabytes, so I'm using 4096. It's basically, you have 1024 megabytes for each gigabyte, so since I have 4, it's 4 times 1024, which gives me 4096. And right here, in both of these spots, is where you're going to have to type in the RAM that you want to use. Now let's copy this whole thing, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into our folder here. You're going to create a new text document. It's very simple. All you do is right click, new text document. You can just click like that. We'll open this up. We're going to paste our code in here, and now we're going to click file, save as, and we're going to click right here where it says save as type. You're going to click on all files. Now what we want to type in here is run.bat, B-A-T, just like that. We're going to click save. We can exit out of this, and right there is our new run file. Now, you're going to want to click on it, right click, run as administrator, yes, giving command prompts access, and if it does that, that is because you do not have the correct RAM installed. Now I'm going to come back, I'll start the recording again once I've reinstalled the correct version of it. Alright, and now I'm back with the Java 64-bit, and when you double click on it this time, it should open up just like this. Now it's going to sit here for a little bit before it actually opens up anything, and it's just going to sit and do nothing. Just going to wait, and now it's starting to do stuff. Minecraft server version 1.11, preparing spawn area. There it is, done, completed. Your server is up and running. And now, just to prove it and make sure it's working, I'm going to open up Minecraft. Give me a second. Okay, now we have our Minecraft up and our Minecraft 1.11 down here. And it's very simple from here. Since I'm running the server on this computer, all I have to do is direct connect, type in localhost, join server, and this is going to bring me right into the server we just created. It's very simple. It's going to make your server run faster, and it's definitely much better than running the server with the other server launcher, because the other one is limited to only 1 gigabyte of RAM. This one can use more. It's going to make your server run smoother for you and your friends when you're playing online. And there it is. The server is up and running. It's not running super smooth because I am recording, running a server, and playing Minecraft at the same time, but it will run very well for you and your friends. I hope this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Tell me your problems you're having with it, and I'll try to help you out. Another problem I've had before is when running my servers, opening it up for the first time, it doesn't open up correct, it just opens up and closes like it did before when I didn't have the correct amount of RAM installed, when I didn't have the correct version of Java installed. Even when you have the correct version installed, sometimes it does that. Just open it up again and it should work the second time. Now to shut down your server, very simple, type in stop and your server will be saved and shut down. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys next time.